Hi. Today we can see what is association in Java and what are different types of associations available in Java. So, so to establish a relationship in Java world, like there are two keywords: association and inheritance. So we all know inheritance is about inheriting the state or the behavior of the parent, right? Like a child inherit a parent, right? So for inheritance, we use extent. Okay. So when you inherit, like you get all the behaviors from your parent. Okay. But inheritance may not be helping you in all the scenarios. Okay. For example, like let's say in the database world, like I have employees, and employees can belong to a number of department, right? So they have access to a number of department. Okay. So how can I use inheritance in this case? So in this case, I have to go with the composite, right? I have to put the department inside the employee. Employee need to contain the department, right? So that is nothing but association. So I am creating a relationship between the employee and the department. Okay. So association is nothing but it's creating binding the relationship between the employees and the department. Okay. And there are two type of associations in Java. One is composition and another one is aggregation. Okay. Composition is nothing but it's a tightly coupled, like the two classes are tightly depends on each other, like it is like in general we say this as a relationship. Yes, if you see here, okay, car has engine, right? So without engine car, we cannot have car. So it has a strong relationship between the car and engine. Okay. So child cannot exist independent of the parent, right? So without a car, right? Without an engine, without an engine, a car cannot be there, right? So that is a composition relationship. And how you indicate the composition relationship? Using the diamond, which is filled. It's a solid diamond. Okay, notation. So that is nothing but a composition. On the other side, you have a aggregation. So aggregation is a kind of you'd say like it has a part of another object, right? Like it is there is no strong relationship between two objects, but this class contains, like it has a few parts of other classes. Like for example, like we have organization can have a number of employees. Okay. Without employees, like without these employees, there can be other employees for the organization, like so that is it. So we call it as a part of relationship. Okay. So employees is a part of organization, right? So that's nothing but aggregation. Okay. Client can exit independently of the parent, right? So without employees, like so organization can be there without this particular person, right? So that is nothing but aggregation. Okay. So how we indicate that is by using the diamond without a solid notation. It's a blank diamond notation. So that is how we need to indicate aggregation. Okay. So at a high level, composition means composite relationship between two objects, means you are having a strong relationship between two objects in such a way that client cannot exit without a parent. Okay. But on aggregation, like you are establishing a relationship, but it is not too strong. So the client can exit with independently of the parent. Hope you guys are good with this. Thank you.